pandemic has forced a lot of us to change how we buy and where we spend our money. Let's talk about what the new normal looks like from you and I or consumer perspective. What companies should you be tracking as you think about investing in post-pandemic world? What's happening, everyone? Hope you guys are safe out there. Welcome to Think Finance. My name is Raj, and on this channel, I talk about personal finance, investment ideas, money management tips, and everything that impacts our money. A lot of us have made changes when it comes to what to buy, where to buy, and how to buy. In this video, I want to discuss how the average consumer, or you and I, is changing when it comes to retail and spending habits. Also, want to share a list of companies that you should watch or include in your portfolio because of the business they are in, or they have transformed their business model and are expected to grow in the new normal when it comes to retail. So, what is a consumer and why is it such a crucial part of our economy? See, consumer is you and I, or any average Joe out there spending money. Consumer spending is an important economic factor and is responsible for 70% of the national economy. COVID has changed a lot for the average Joe. Here are a few trends which some believe are here to stay and will become the new normal. More emphasis on made in USA. There is this need to now buy everything that is made here at home. People are concerned about where products are made, where they are shipped from, and what countries they've touched before they get to their doors. Everyone's home. They are spending on home improvement projects. This includes upgrading their kitchen appliances. Online shopping has become legit. Again, all revolves around safety. People want to shop from home and avoid going to malls and big box retailers. This includes groceries. Increased investment in health. Since the pandemic, the consumption of health improvement and sanitary products are becoming a way of life. Remember in March when toilet papers and hand sanitizers went out of stock? Work from home and stay at home means eat at home. While takeouts are still a thing, people are not flocking to restaurants and instead prefer to cook and eat at home. Streaming has gone prime time. We are home and we need entertainment. Consumer has become frugal. With economic and financial uncertainty, personal saving rate has shot up in the recent months. While they don't mind spending on essentials, spending on consumer discretionary and luxury has come down. For most retailers out there, all of this means major drop in business activities. Some, however, have embraced the change and are doing things differently to delight their customers in the new normal. For example, building better digital experiences to develop customer loyalty, investing in innovative self-service solutions powered by AI, facial recognition, infrared technology, and contactless payment, developing creative solutions to fulfill orders. Think free shipping, one-day shipping, curbside pickup, contactless pickup, and buy online and pick up in store. Finding more ways to stay engaged with the customer, may it be physical store, online, or via mobile apps. Let's talk about companies that have found ways to thrive in this pandemic-hit economy. Let's start with Best Buy. Over the years, Best Buy has found ways to compete with online electronic retailers. Also, their appliance business continues to grow. With a price to earning around 18, there are reasons to stay in this name. Home Depot and Lowe's. Apparently, a lot of people are taking on home improvement projects while at home. Home Depot and Lowe's are leading the way when it comes to meeting the needs of do-it-yourselfers. Costco, Walmart, Clorox, Procter & Gamble, and Kroger. a few consumer staple names. These sell the essentials. The impact of pandemic is here to stay, at least for another few years, and these names will continue to thrive. Also, these names offer impressive dividend. Contactless payment and use of plastic continue to be the way to transact in this pandemic-hit economy. MasterCard, Visa, PayPal, and Square make it easy. As this trend continues to grow, so will these names. Sherwin Williams, this is more specialty retailer, but again hits the home improvement theme. This stock has rallied over 75% since the March lows. May sound a bit boring, but this stock is a growth machine and has powered from $18 in 2000 to $620 today. Next, Lululemon. Personally, I'm not a fan of investing in retailers focused on apparel. Who wants to buy pants when the world is working from home? Apparently, Lululemon has found ways to stay engaged with their customers. Their e-commerce business has taken off. Indeed, per NPD data, as the world deals with pandemic, Lululemon has increased its share of the athletic apparel market by the largest amount. Chipotle Mexican Grill. While most restaurant stocks have taken a hit, Chipotle continues to explode. Company's investment in technology is paying off. Digital orders are up significantly. This is a stock for the long haul. The last two names do not require a lot of introduction. These are more tech stocks, but can easily be tied back to the consumer story. Let's start with Netflix. People are home and they are streaming. There is a reason why this stock keeps hitting all-time highs. Subscriber growth will continue to be a key metric for this company. Finally, Amazon. Of course, when it comes to e-commerce, Amazon is the king. But there are so many other reasons to own this stock, including the cloud business AWS, acquisition of Whole Foods, and tons of other businesses the company is investing in. Oh, and one more, Apple. Again, a tech name, but plays such a big role when it comes to the consumer. Every portfolio needs to invest in Apple. There are other names out there that are beaten down, and some argue this is the right time to get into those. They can easily tie back to the consumer story. I'm talking about cruise lines, airlines, malls, apparel, restaurants, movies, and few other beaten down sectors. I'm not investing because personally, I'm not sure how many of these will continue to stay in business in the next few years, and how long before these stocks actually start recovering. Just my take. Of course, there are some great opportunities you can look for in these names. So there you have it. Let me know if there are names in this space you think is worth a look. Thanks for tuning in. If this was helpful, hit that like button, and if money gets you going, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, peace.